Okay, 13th hole, par 5, 595 yards, a long one. Let's take a look at it. This has a really big dog leg, so we'll be using the red squares to continue the drive if we go past that, which we'll have to look at here. Blue pin's way in the back of the cup. It's 85.95, 605. Wow, big long drive here. Okay, nothing. Tee shots longer than 290 follow. Red grids, yeah. Subtract 5 yards from the flight of the second shot and use putting chart 1. Okay, let's take a look at this. Lee's typical drives. Let's see if I want to go into the dog leg there at 300. His average wood is a 4, which is 265, and a roll of 35, which is 300. So we're probably okay going, letting him hit his driver here. The thing would be that number 5 there, which is left to right 20, might get us in some trouble. Let's take a look at that. Yeah. Well, we're going to try to go right down the middle and see what happens. Oh boy, not good probably. A roll of 12 with a 6. 6 is going to be good, but 12 on a driver is a 25. So let's see what that gets us. 25 is 255. Oh my gosh, look at this. 225. 225. Left 50. Oh boy. And a roll of 30. So let's go look, see what this does. 255. 55 right there. Yeah, 255 is right there, and then left 50. Let's count this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Plunk. Okay, so, then we get a roll. Let's see, treat. The native vary like a sand trap, but add 10 yards, roll, or bounce to any shot that lands there. Depiction of a plant, okay. If a ball encounters a plant while it's still remaining roll, let it continue as if no plant were there. Alright, so we got a roll of 30 on this, so this is going to roll 40 yards. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40. So we just follow the red line. The closest one, take a pick here. Probably this guy right here is where we are going to pick up on it. So we ended up with a drive a little over, oh boy. This is one of, no, that makes sense. You can see where, if this is the 300-yard line, we're now looking at 10, 20, 30, 40, 345 yards from the hole. That's probably a true representation. So we're not going to go anywhere. 3 wood, he's going to knock 265 on an average. That would take us to, let's see, 5. That would take us somewhere up in this area, I think. So this could be a toughie. Oh, he's in a rough too, so he's not going to knock it. You know what? We're going to aim. Oh, this has a dog leg that I probably should factor in. So we're going to aim 10 yards to the left, down the left 10 line here, in hopes that if we do go this way, it'll roll there. So I didn't roll to see if he's got an unplayable guy here. Oh my God, he does have a poor lie. So that's even worse. You can see here there is, under the 3-wood rough, there is a poor lie column. And because I rolled a 6, that's considered a poor lie. So we're good, I think, aiming 10 yards left of center line here. But we will have to count back here. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 yards back to where I want to aim. So even on a wood, 50 yards is going to knock 5 off the flight. So we just have to remember that with a poor lie. We just going to do the best we can here. So, okay, the roll is a 32 and a 6. That's probably not any good either. A 25 on a wood from a poor lie. Wow. Let's see. 25 would be, oh my gosh, he really flubbed it. He hit it only 20 yards. Holy crap. And left 50. Can that be right? It's a shank. I think in this case we half that. We have that. That's almost impossible. 20 yards. And we have that because it didn't travel, I think, 50 or 60 yards. I have to look it up. But and the roll of 20 seems kind of weird, but I guess we'll do it. So, yeah, it's weird. 20 yards, left 25, and a 20 roll. Wow. $20 yards, left 20, 20 more. That's crazy. Let's see if we kind of roll that. Oh, he's still got a poor lie. How true to golf is this? He just keeps getting in more trouble. We're gonna aim left, 10 left again, right down the center. Let's see if we can get out of there with that 3-wood. Oh, 13 with a 6. That's a 4. Well, I mean a 4, that's better. So let's see what we got here. 4 would be 150. A 6 is left 15. 160, left 15, and 25. So 150 and 295. Well, 5 is 145. So 445. Remember I said I'd aim 10 left, but then the ball flew 10 left, and I'm going to say, so remember at 445, I aimed left right here, but it went left 15. And then looking back here, we got a roll of 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, he's hacking this whole up. But right now, let's see, 595, 120. He's 125 out. And he'll go right for the pin. Oh no, if he goes for the pin's at 605 minus 470. Let's go for the center of the pin since he's already in big trouble. The pin is 595. Okay, so see, there's 120, and I'm going to have 5 yards to it. We don't have at 20 yards to the left. Oh, he's 25, so we have to subtract 5. So now we're back to 130. Okay, so we get out of the shorter wedge range, and we have to go to a regular club. So if I go 130. 5 left. Let's do that. Let's look for 135 left. Well, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to 605. 605 to the blue pin is 130 plus 5. 135. And that looks to me, we don't want to be far here, so we're going to go with the sandwich right out of here. So it might be a little short, but we're going straight for it. There we go. 15 and 3. 15 is a 2D with a 3. D is nothing here. So a 2, oh my gosh, we hit it too far. No, sandwich, yeah. 2 is 135. There's going to be no roll, and we have to deduct 5 yards from the roll. So let's count up 135. My gosh, I think that's right. That landed right on the pin if I calculated right. Right, 135. Back it up. 140 is, so remember we were, the center of the pin to here is 120, plus 5 is 125, and I said 135 to the pin. So since I aimed right there and I hit at 135 in the air, what it does is lands right on the blue, on the pin itself, but it does back up 5 yards. Now, if a shot lands on or rolls over the pin, roll 3 dice, and if the result is 666, this shot will be holed out. That would be amazing. Okay, we didn't get that, but let's see, he was 1, 2, 3, 4. So he can actually par this thing if he gets it right. So 5, we're 1 grid away. 5, 0 by 5 is 15 foot minus 2 dice. The 2 dice is 5. So we got a 10 footer on putting chart 1. A 10 footer on putting chart 1 gives us up to 16. Come on, Lee, salvage this one. 26 probably isn't going to do it. 26 and a plus 31. That's no good. 31 is 2 feet. You're still going to get maybe a bogue out of here. 42 is an 11, and that's in. 42 is 11. So a bogey 6 for Lee Westwood at TPC 13th hole.